The fourth term in the binomial expansion of 2 by x plus x power log x to the base 8 whole power 6 is 20 into 8 power 7. Then what is the value of this x? So this is in the form of a plus b whole power 6. Right. And we know tr plus 1 term is ncr a power n minus r b power r. Right. The r plus 1th term of this expansion is this one. Here n is what? N is 6. This is 6c. And what is fourth term? Fourth means r should be 3. T4 is nothing but T3 plus 1. Right. So r is 3. A power 3, 6 minus 3 and b power 3. What is a? A is 2 by x and b is x power log 8 to the base x to the base 8. So let us try to substitute and get this expression, and this should be equal to 20 into 8 power 7. Okay, so we'll get this expression in terms of x, and let us try to find let us try to equate both the sides and try to find the value of x. Okay, so now so t3 plus 1, which is nothing but 6c3 into this a power 3 and b power 3. So which is nothing but 2 by x whole power 3 and x power log 8 x to the base 8 whole power 3. This should be equal to 20 into 8 power 7. This is nothing but 6c3 is anyway 20. So this is 2 cube by x cube and x power 3 log x to the base 8. Right, a power m whole power n. A power mn, that is 3 into log x to the base 8. Right, we have 20 into 2 cube and x power minus 3. Right, that becomes x power 3 log 8 to the base x minus 3. That is this one. This should be equal to 20 into 8 power 7 because that is what that is given in this question. This 20 and this 20 we can cancel. We'll be left with 2 cube into x power 3 log x to the base 8 minus 3 should be equal to 8 power 7, which is nothing but 2 cube whole power 7. Right. Now, this 2 cube is anyway 8. If we try to cancel this, this becomes x 8 power 6. Right. So basically we have x power uh, 3 log x to the base 3 log x to the base 8, which is nothing but this is 2 cube. So this 3 we can bring it here. So 3 by 3 we can still cancel. So 3 by 3 we can cancel. We'll be left with x power log x to the base 2 minus 3 is equal to 8 power 6. Right, let us take logarithm on both sides. Log to the base 2. So then if we take log to the base 2, this becomes this entire part will come to the left. Log x to the base 2 minus 3 into log x to the base 2 should be equal to log uh, 8 power 6 to the base 2, which is nothing but 6 log 8 to the base 2. 8 is nothing but 2 cube. We can write it as 2 cube. This 3 we can bring it here. And log to the base 2 will become 1. 3 into 6 equals to 18. Right. We have log x to the base 2 minus 3 into log x to the base 2 is equal to 18. Let us try to solve this equation. This should be a quadratic equation. Let us assume log x to the base 2 is y. Y minus 3 into y should be equal to 18. Y square minus 3y minus 18 should be equal to 0. So y can be either 6 or minus 3. What is our y? Y is log x to the base 2. So log x to the base 2 is either 6 or minus 3. When it is 6, x is equal to 2 power 6, which is nothing but 8, which is nothing but 2 cube whole square, which is nothing but 8 square. So x can be 8 square or x can be 2 power minus 3, which is nothing but 1 by 8. So both are valid solutions. So x can be 8 square or 8 power minus 1, which is not here, right? So basically we have written the general term, right? And we have written the general term and try to equate this here and taken some logarithms, and the general term is in terms of x, right? And that should be equal to this, and we just solve the equation, right guys?